Are you looking for to fix your account is restricted right now on WhatsApp? Then you're on the right video. So you might be in the position where you try to use the application WhatsApp, but you land on the interface where it says that your account is restricted right now. If you want to fix this issue, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to General, and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, move into the application WhatsApp, click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. Once offloaded, try reinstalling the application and then try signing in. It might fix the issue as well. If not, now move into the Safari or any of the web browser. In the address bar, search for WhatsApp support. Head over to the very first site, Contact WhatsApp. In this page, click on Contact Us right here. Now scroll down and you need to fill in these options. Firstly, enter your mobile number associated with your WhatsApp account. After that, enter the email address, and then for the confirmation, re-enter the email address. After that, you need to choose your device. And in this section, you have to state the problem that you have been facing on WhatsApp. Well, once you are done addressing all the problem, you have to click on Next Step at the bottom of the screen. After that, follow the on-screen process and then your issue might get fixed. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.